Hi, my name is Elizabeth. Today, I want to talk about Joint Restore Gummies for you who suffer from knee pain. Do you suffer from constant joint pain? And you don't know what else to do? Then know that with this new knee candy, you can now not only simply stop the pain, you can also rebuild your knees and joints from the inside out. Dr. Gregory Smith, MD, Harvard physician and Army veteran, discovers an impressive medical breakthrough to help mostly sick seniors. Yes, Joint Restore Gums is for you who is there nothing but bone in your joints? Are your joints suffering from excruciating pain? Do you hear clicking, creaking, or popping when you move your joints? Is the pain so severe that you are considering injections, dangerous drugs, or even a joint replacement? If yes, then listen carefully to the report of some DR patients. Geojury, who already use Joint Restore Gums, describe it as miraculous. Thomas Z. I'm 67 years old and I'm getting back on my knees like when I was 30. John Peterson. I tried everything and was ready to schedule surgery. Thank God I found this. It has been amazing and I haven't thought about surgery in months. Mary Ann Humphreys. I was so skeptical about this, but believe me, it works. I started playing tennis again with the girls and loving life again. Joint Restore Gummies have a special formulation in a delicious treat to eat for people like you who suffer every day. There you must think. What works is dangerous and what is safe doesn't work, right? But I tell you, that's not so with Joint Restore Gummies. This formula is effective, and Dr. Gregory Smith has the x-rays to prove it. And it is non-addictive, legal, and completely safe. Dr. Gregory Smith, MD, he specializes in combining the technology of modern medicine with the wisdom of natural methods that have been used for centuries. This is the most delicious knee restoration formula ever. Its composition: each gum combines 20 milligrams of full-spectrum hemp oil, 200 milligrams of beta-boswellic acid, and just 3 grams of organic cane sugar, for a delicious gummy you'll be excited to take every morning. 1.5 grams is about a quarter of a teaspoon. No more horse gum stuck in your throat or the weird oils that fall under your tongue. Just pop 1 or 2 Joint Restore Gummies in your mouth and chew. And if you still have doubts, follow more reports of patients tested and the results are amazing. Helena T. Joint Restore changed my life, honestly. I was so desperate when I found it that I would have tried anything. Now it feels like my knees felt 20 years ago, no lie. I wish I had found him years ago, but I am so glad I did. Danette Perlow. Let me tell you, I have tried everything. Acupuncture, pills, creams, I mean everything. This is the only thing that made my knees feel better. My hips don't either. Thank you, Dr. Greg. Dave Mason. Let's say I'm 67 years old and I thought I was going to be walking in a year or two with my pain. And now I run 2 to 3 miles twice a week. Joint Restore Gummies is so good. We see people using canes and walking sticks and think that's the way it is when you reach your 70s and 80s, but it doesn't have to be that way. Now we know we were all wrong about painkillers. They slow down the pain, but they also slow down the healing process. Benefits: now you can turn off pain like a light switch and heal your knees with Joint Restore Gummies. You can rejuvenate your knees and feel the energy boost that comes with the ability to move without pain. Use the opportunity to walk or even run again. Suck on that bike and get back to pedaling. Dust off your tennis racket or golf clubs. Bring with your children and grandchildren and don't worry that you will feel the consequences for days to come. And above all, feel the freedom you have worked so hard to achieve. And then you will no longer be confined. You will be able to say yes to the things you have always wanted to do, but you will have to start right now. Believe me, take the next step towards new knees. Try the Joint Restore Gummies today and tell me what you think. When you receive your order, open a bottle and try the gummies as instructed. You will begin to feel better in about 15 minutes. Your leg muscles will start to relax, the stiffness will disappear. And after a few days, I think you will start to feel a little more flexibility in your steps. In a few weeks, I bet you'll get that new feeling in your knee. But you will only feel it then, if you start and order now. Get a 30-day supply of these pain gums and restore your knees for only $1.33 per day. Just click the link below to start your order. Thanks for sticking around this far, and I can tell you that you won't regret it, but just in case you do, know that your guarantee is lifetime. Yes, that is the certainty of the quality of the results of Joint Restore Gummies. So the only risk you take is to not access the official website link in the description and miss this great opportunity to get to buy today still, to get rid of this terrible pain if you ignore this super information. I hope I have helped you, and wish you much success.